It's natural to want to make the best use of your time in the day, and most of us crave to boost productivity during that time. So in this video we look at 5 time management techniques that will help you best utilize the time in the day. Number 1. Schedule your day. Scheduling your day is fundamental to making the most productive use of your time in the day. Do this by first identifying a list of tasks you want to complete during the day, or basically your to-do list. Once you have your list together, assess each individual item on the list to understand how long you need to complete each item. Then allocate time in the day towards completing that task, with the most important tasks dealt with earlier in the day where possible. Number 2 uses the Pareto principle. Follow a simple and easy-to-follow set of steps to apply this. When you write your list of tasks for the day, identify the most important tasks or 2 that will yield the greatest results and focus on these as the primary tasks to complete that day. Once completed, you can then proceed with the other tasks, but do so with the knowledge that you've already tackled the most important. Third, determine your peak performance times. For me, that's 9:30 to 11:30 a.m., which is the period of time when I aim to get the most critical tasks done in my day. You will have a similar window of time where you perform at your best, so find out when this is and allocate critical tasks to be done during this time. For most people, this tends to be in the morning as well, naturally, because that's how most learns after resting overnight. The Pomodoro technique is a great way to boost productivity during the day and best utilize time in an effective and efficient way. To do this, set a timer for 25 minutes to do a task and start working on it. Take a short 3 to 5 minute break after each 25 minutes or Pomodoro. Once you complete all Pomodoro, take a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bar icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.